Hello students, good morning. Today I am going to discuss with you a chapter 7, clothes we wear. We know that clothes is our basic need. In this chapter we understand the basic needs of this our clothes and which cloth we used for, and we used cloths for different purposes. Okay, let us see. We need clothes to cover our body. Why do we need cloth? To cover our body. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. So, student, clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. They make us look smart and decent. When we wear a good cloth, a good dress, so how we look? On that time we look very smart and decent. Look at the different kinds of cloth that we wear. We wear socks, trouser, coat, skirt, shirt, sari, pajama, kurta, tie. Again I am repeating: socks, trouser, coat, skirt, sari, pajama, kurta, tie. We wear colorful and fancy dress on weddings. We wear colorful and fancy dress on wedding, birthday and festival. What do we wear on your birthday? Say student, we wear a colorful and fancy dress in our birthday, है ना? And some people wear clothes that show what kind of work they do. Such clothes are uniform. Some people work in soldier, say they work they work clothes as their work. This is called a uniform. Policemen also use their special kinds of clothes, which is uniform. Postman also wears a special kind of clothes that they work. Nurse, doctor, and you are the students. Students also wear a uniform. You're all in your class, every students wear a same uniform, isn't it? So on that case it is also called a uniform. When some people wear a cloth that shows what kind of work they do, and you are a student now and you wearing a uniform, it represent that you are a student. Okay, we also wear uniform in our school. Dressing manner. Always wear neat and clean dress. How should we dress? We should dress a neat and clean dresses. Do not play in dirty places. Don't play in dirty places. Do not touch your clothes with dirty hands. Don't touch your clothes with dirty hands. Always wear loose dress. Always wear a loose dresses. Keep your tie and socks clean. You should wear a clean clothes. Okay. We wear different kinds of cloth at different days in a year. We wear cotton cloths on a hot day. On a hot day, how we should dress? We would dress a cotton cloth, and in winter we wear a woolen cloth. Okay, cotton cloth keeps our body cool, and they also absorb sweat from our body. We get cotton from cotton plant. From where do we get a cotton plant? We get cotton from cotton plant. We wear woolen cloths on a cold day. Woolen cloths keep our body warm. We get wool from sheep. From where we get wool? We get wool from sheep. And woolen cloth help us to keep our body warm. We wear raincoat on a rainy day. We also use umbrella on a rainy day. Raincoat and umbrella keep us dry. They protect us from rain. Caring for clothes. You should take proper care of your clothes. Wash your cloth with good detergent. Iron your clothes regularly. Keep your clothes in a shelf and cupboard. Okay, this is a caring of your purpose. This is a way of caring of your clothes. In short, we need clothes to cover our body. Wash your clothes with good detergent. Always wear neat and clean dresses. Keep your clothes in a shelf or a cupboard. Okay, let us discuss the chapter. Question answer. Write two dressing manner. Say student, two dressing manner. Two dressing manner is always wear neat and clean dress. Don't play in dirty place. Or we wear different kinds of, yeah, we wear always wear loose dress. You can also write this point also. Okay, so in this question number 1, you write two dressing manners are always wear a neat and clean dress and always wear a loose dress. What are uniform? I told you, student, I discussed you what are uniform. This, some people wear clothes that show what kind of work they do. Such clothes are called uniform. Example: soldier, policeman, postman, nurse, doctor. Why do we wear clothes? Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our body. How do we take care of our cloth? How do we take care of our cloth? Wash. We should take a proper care of our clothes by washing our clothes with good detergent, ironing our clothes, and keep our clothes in a shelf or cupboard. What do we wear on a cold day? We wear woolen cloth on a cold day. Next student, fill in the blanks. Dash cloths keep us body warm. Woolen cloths keep our body warm. Raincoat and dash keep us dry. Raincoat and umbrella keep us dry. We wear uniform at our school. We should always wear dash cloth, clean clothes. Dash your clothes regularly. Iron your clothes regularly. True, false. We need clothes to cover our body. Right or wrong? True. Clothes don't protect us from heat and cold. False. Don't play in dirty places. True. Keep your clothes in a shelf or cupboard. True. Okay, next. Complete the name of the cloths by filling the missing letters. What is this, student? This is a socks. SOCKS, socks. This is shirt. SHIRT, shirt. This is cap. CAP, cap. This is gloves. GLOVE, glove. Next page. This is skirt. SKIRT, skirt. This is raincoat. RAINCOAT, raincoat. This is jeans. JEANS, jeans. This is vest. VEST, vest. Write the name of the people you see in the picture given below. Name of a person is soldier. Name of a person is postman. This is a doctor. Okay. So students, I hope you can understand this chapter, and some few more question I want to discuss with you, that then I will solve this. Just see student. Dash cloths keep our body warm. Which cloth? Woolen. WOOLLEN. Woolen. Raincoat and dash keep us dry. Raincoat and umbrella. UMBRELLAS. Umbrellas. We wear uniform at our school. 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 We should always wear dash cloth. How should we dress? We always wear clean clothes. Question number 5. Dash your clothes regularly. Iron. We need clothes to cover our body. Is it right? Yes. True. Clothes don't protect us from heat and cold. False. Don't play in dirty places. True. Keep your clothes in a shelf or cupboard. True. Socks. 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 Shirt. 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 CAP. Cap. GLOVES. Gloves. SKIRT. Skirt. RAINCOAT. Raincoat. JEANS. Jeans. VEST. Vest. Okay student. So your task, student, is to learn or go through the chapter, read this chapter once again. And I want to discuss one more question, that why do we wear cloth? Why do we wear cloth? We wear clothes to cover our body. And why do we use a special dress and uniform? We use a special dress or uniform to represent our, or represent what kind of work we do. Okay. What are the different types of cloth? What are the different types of cloth? Different types of cloths are fancy dress, okay, colorful and fancy dress, so uniform. These are the different kinds of dresses. How would we look after the we look? Cloths protect us from how cloth protect us from where? How cloth protect us? Cloth protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. Okay. Now here is the come to the end of this class, and next day we will give, or we will learn our next chapter, and before that we practice our question answer. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.